Point 1 Word processing, create, edit, format, and manipulate text-based documents. Point 2 Formatting tools, fonts, styles, paragraph formatting, page layout options. Point 3 Document views, print layout, web layout, outline view. Point 4 Templates, pre-designed templates for various document types. Point 5 Graphics and multimedia, insert pictures, charts, diagrams, smart art. Point 6 Automation, mail merge, macros for automating tasks. Point 7 Title bar, topmost part displaying document and application name with control. Point 8 Buttons, minimize, maximize, close. Point 9 Menu bar, below the title bar, offering drop-down menus like File, Home, Insert for accessing commands. Point 10 Ribbon, below the menu bar, since Word 2007, organized into tabs, example Home, Insert, containing groups of related commands. Point 11 Toolbar, above or below the ribbon, customizable with frequently used commands like Save and Undo. Point 12 Scroll bars, on the right and bottom edges of the document area for navigating through content. Point 13 Status bar, at the bottom, displays document information, page number, word count, and view options. Point 14 View buttons, bottom right corner for switching document views like print layout and read mode. Page F formatting. Point 1 Margins, adjust margins via Layout tab or Page Setup dialog, File, Page Setup. Point 2 Orientation, set portrait or landscape mode via Layout tab or Page Setup dialog. Point 3 Size, change paper size via Layout tab or Page Setup dialog. Point 4 Columns, create multiple columns via Layout tab. Point 5 Page Breaks, insert manual page breaks via Insert tab, Page Break. Header and Footer. Header. Point 1 located at the top of each page. Point 2 used for titles, chapter names, logos, etc. Point 3 customized via Insert tab, header or double click header array. Footer. Point 1 located at the bottom of each page. Point 2 includes page numbers, document title, dates, etc. Point 3 customized via Insert tab, footer or double-click footer area. Editing. Point 1 double-click header footer area to edit. Point 2 different first page option for unique headers footers on first page. Point 3 link to previous option for connecting headers footers between sections. Search an entire document, specific sections, or selected text. Replacing text. Point 1 Text editing, correct typos, update terminology. Point Data processing, clean transform text in files, example CSV, logs. Basic text formatting. Point 1 Font, change type, size, style, bold, italic, underline. Point 2 Color, modify text and highlight colors. Point 3 Effects, apply effects like shadow and outline. Point 4 Paragraph formatting. Point 5 Alignment, left, center, right, justify. Point 6 Indentation and spacing, set indents and line spacing. Point 7 Lists, add bullet points and numbering. Point 8 Headers and footers, add and format headers, footers, and page numbers. Point 9 Layout and alignment. Point 10 Columns. Format text into multiple columns. 11 Dot margins, adjust page margins. 12 Dot text wrapping, control text flow around images and objects. Hyperlinks and bookmarks. Point 1 Hyperlinks, insert links to websites, emails, or document sections. Point 2 Bookmarks, mark locations for quick navigation. Point 3 Review and collaboration. Point 4 Comments, add and respond to comments. Point 5 Track changes, enable and manage changes for collaborative editing. basic text formatting. Point 1 bold, Ctrl plus B. Point 2 italic, Ctrl plus I. Point 3 underline, Ctrl plus U. Point 4 paragraph formatting. Point 5 align left, Ctrl plus L. Point 6 align center, Ctrl plus E. Point 7 align right, Ctrl plus R. Point 8 justify, Ctrl plus J. Text editing. Point 1 cut, Ctrl plus X. Point 2 copy, Ctrl plus C. Point 3 paste, Ctrl plus V. Point 4 undo, Ctrl plus Z. Point 5 redo, Ctrl plus Y. Paragraph formatting. Point 1 alignment. Point 2 left, center, right, justify text alignment. Point 3 indents and spacing. Point 4 adjust indentation, left, right, and line spacing, single, double. Point 5 lists, create bulleted or numbered lists, customize styles and indentation. Tabs and rulers. Point 1 set custom tab stops for precise text alignment. Point 2 use the ruler to adjust margins, indents, and tabs. Point 3 drop caps. Apply decorative drop caps at the beginning of paragraphs. Point 1 bullets and numbering in MS Word. Point 2 purpose, used for unordered lists where the sequence is not critical. Point 3 usage, select text, click bullets in the Home tab's paragraph group. Point 4 customization, choose from various bullet styles or define custom bullets.